Hello, good evening viewers. Today problem is if 1 by 6.1998 is equal to 0.16134, then the value of 1 by 0.0006198 is. Actually here if you take 1 by 0.0006198 is equal to, here we know the value of 1 by 6.198. So to get the point after 6, here we have 4 digits. So that's why we multiply with 10,000 both numerator and denominator. So 1 into 10,000 by 0.0006198 into 10,000. So here what you have, 10,000 by, here the value becomes 6.198, because if you multiply with 100, 10 or 1000 or 10,000, how many zeros are there, that number of digits the point will move to right side. So 4 zeros are there na, so the point will come after 6. So 6.198. So it can be written as 10,000 into 1 by 6.198. As you know already the value of this 0.16134. So 10,000 into 0.16134. Already we discussed, when we multiply with 10,000, the point moves to right side. How many zeros are there? 4. So 4 digits right side the point will move. So our answer is 1613.4. If you not subscribed yet, please like, share and subscribe and support me. Thank you.